What if your first YouTube video got 209,000 views and started monetizing? Well, that's exactly what happened last month. It's not luck, because all these channels from different niches have repeated this success over the past 3 months. All right, not AI video today, but something with zero AI. Something that might change how you create and help you catch the trend before it's too late. You might have noticed that this kind of video has been going super viral lately, but I'm not sharing that today. Instead, I'll show you a simple version. No fancy animal animations, just some basic stick figures. If you've watched these videos, you'll notice the content is the same as this AI video. Same script, but somehow this one is growing so fast. Wait a second, is this really hand-drawn? Over the past few months, my YouTube homepage has been flooded with these how to monetize videos. But one day, YouTube's algorithm threw a self-improvement video right in front of me. It's a fully hand-drawn style video that got 646,000 views, performing even better than Alex Hormozi and Ali Abdaal. In case you're not familiar with them, they're basically traffic kings on YouTube. As an editor, I could sense something different about this one. So I dug into this hand-drawn style video and uncovered its biggest secret. There's been a massive wave of traffic shifting towards hand-drawn style videos, not tied to any single niche, just a general trend. You don't have to force yourself to stick to the consistency rule to see growth. You can achieve fast results in just 1 month. I'm sure I'm not the first to notice this trend, but here's the thing. People see it and people miss it. There are 2 reasons that make this outcome inevitable. The first one is, this type of video is more complex than AI short videos. If AI short videos could still pull in traffic, people wouldn't bother investing more effort here. But the reality is, 100% AI videos are dying. Too much competition, repetitive content. They might still look fancy, but they're no longer captivating. The second reason is that people don't believe they can do it. These hand-drawn visuals look like something only a professional artist could create, so most people aren't willing to give it a try.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
The potential of a human being is like an iceberg. We're often taught to focus only on the visible part, the skills and knowledge we've gained from school or previous jobs. But our ability to learn, rooted deep in our very genes, means we have limitless potential to explore and master the unknown. You don't need to be Einstein or have any professional training. All it takes is breaking through that thin layer of habitual thinking and letting the iceberg rise to the surface. The only real barrier is that we don't believe we can. I broke through that ice and started searching on YouTube, wondering if there was any way to create this kind of animated hand drawing in an easy way. Then I found it, a completely free tool called FlipaClip. And if you already have Procreate, you can use that too. Now, this part you're watching was made using FlipaClip. No worries, I will show you how to use this free tool. Honestly, I only watch a 5-minute tutorial, but it's enough. Just paint the main character and place the first figure here. Then add a new frame. It's like a keyframe in video editing tools. You'll see the position of the previous one, and you can either draw a new frame or just copy the first one, paste it, and make a small adjustment for movement. Copy, paste, 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 and eventually you'll end up with a video like this. Yeah, damn. I know it's super cool. All right, I know it's far from the fancy stuff professional animators make, but honestly, it's already good enough for this kind of self-improvement video, or story video. Of course, someone's bound to say, I can only draw this ugly stick figure. I have no idea how to create complex scenes. So is it possible to create these drawings with AI? I believe you might have this question, and maybe without even trying, you've already decided AI can't do it. People love this hand-drawn style because it feels like an antidote to AI-generated content. So we tend to assume that AI has limitations, that it can't fully replicate human creativity. And in a way, that's true. But remember, AI operates on logic and statistics. With enough data, it can mimic human creations. Hand-drawn elements, in fact, make up a significant portion of the material in AI's training datasets. Let's put this to the test. I'll use Midjourney for this experiment, and I'll paste a screenshot from this video. This scene is pretty complex, so I'll write a detailed prompt to describe it. At the end of the prompt, I'll add IW2, which is a parameter that controls how closely the AI generates content based on the reference image, with 2 being the strongest. In just 30 seconds, here's what we've got. Yes, it's almost 99% the same, but with a few differences that make it look unique. Well, I wouldn't recommend copying this process, as it could lead to copyright issues. However, you can use AI to create a few unique characters, then combine them to develop your own style. This approach is not only safer, but also gives you more creative flexibility. Also, when it comes to the animation, painting one frame for every second of the video isn't hard, but it does take a lot of time. However, I've noticed there's no need to create overly complex animations. Some videos simply change images every 30 seconds. For a 10-minute video, that's just 20 images. Of course, this is the bare minimum. You'll need to adjust based on the script. If you think you still don't know how to create this kind of design, don't worry. There's an easier way. We can hand over the animation work to a familiar friend, Canva. Yep, Canva can create animations like this, and this. Search the keywords hand draw Stickman on Canva, and then I can find tons of elements. Just add them to the page, and then click this element, then click Animate, add some animations. Alright, between pages, we can click this transition to add animations too. Canva can also draw directly. Just click Draw, and then we can draw anything with our mouse. Everything is very simple. Also, you can search any hand-drawn style elements here if needed. So, if you don't want to use an iPad or phone for drawing, just use Canva on your computer to create your designs. Here is what I made with zero drawing. Just add some sound effects.
Hello, it's me.
Alright, the best part about these kinds of videos is that there are no limitations on the niche. Just adapt your niche into this style, and you can hop on this growing elevator to success. This should be the end of the video, but I have a few more words to share. I know most beginner editors have been using CapCut over the past 2 years, but it was banned a few days ago and still faces potential issues 3 months later. All I want to say is, nothing and nobody can stop creativity. We make content, and we create things that stand out. Like I said before, the power of human potential is like the iceberg beneath the surface. We can also push ourselves to learn professional tools like DaVinci Resolve or After Effects. When you become a professional editor, don't forget to check out AutoAE's Creator Project to start another side hustle. Yeah, that's the only ad for today. See you next week.